Hi, Matt Bauer Organizing with your #1 garage organizing system. If you've seen my videos before, you know I like to get right to the point, so here it is. Your #1 garage organizing system is the Donation Depot. Now, before you say, oh, big deal, I donate clothes already, wait. First, it's great that you donate stuff. Second, I want to explain why this is such an important system, how to make it super easy, and how this approach can make all organizing systems easier. These days, stuff circulates into our lives way too easily, so we need a competitive plan so that it circulates out just as easily. It's typical for every garage to have a trash bin and a recycling bin, but I believe every garage should have a donation depot like this as well. Why in the garage? This has to do with my book, The Circulation Solution. Circulation is a plan for movement in a series of manageable, reliable stages. And circulation prevents accumulation. The most manageable and reliable position for your donation depot is at or below eye level, inches away from the trunk of your car. When these bins fill up, you've given yourself the very best odds of loading them and dropping them off. Alternatively, let's say you're doing errands and you've got 20 bags of donates in the attic. You're not likely to think of them at this point. And if you do, you're thinking they're too far away and there's several trips. So what happens? You think, I gotta get going. I'll get those another time. Here's another unlikely scenario.
You grab a sweater you haven't worn in a while and you don't like the way you look in it. You're not going to drop everything you're doing, get in the car, and drive your one sweater to your favorite charity.
This is why it's a good idea to establish a regular collection area, or depot as I call it, in your garage. I like one bin for clothing and another for everything else. By the way, I recommend these clear recycling bags for donates. You can keep them loaded right in the bin. Clear bags prevent accidental discards, and they make it easier to see what's inside. Now let's look at that sweater example in manageable, reliable stages. Step 1, make the decision to let the sweater go. Drop it on a central piece of furniture on my way back to work. Step 2, need a cup of coffee, grab this out-of-place sweater on the way to the kitchen. Drop it on my leaving ledge. Step 3, later I'm heading out to the bank, so I grab the sweater as I'm heading out the door. Step 4, passing the donation depot on the way to the car door, I drop the sweater in. Step 5, Saturday morning I'm running errands and I see the donation bins are full. The bag fits easily in the trunk and gets donated. This approach is easy, but it's not automatic if you don't participate in any one stage. In my case, the central furniture, the leaving ledge, and the donation depot, there will be buildup and stagnation. So look at every stage in your system. Is each stage as manageable and reliable as possible? And simplify until it is. And finally, the same approach for your donation depot applies to everything in your home. Dishes in your kitchen need to circulate. Laundry needs to circulate. Paper needs to circulate. Circulation is the key to staying organized because circulation prevents accumulation. I call this your #1 garage organizing system, but it may well be your #1 organizing system, period. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.